Anyone who's ever tried to run an HDMI signal across a room, or even just to a projector on the other side of a conference hall, knows the pain. Those long HDMI cables are not only expensive, but they can be a real headache for signal integrity. Well, this is where something like the Wiistar HDMI extender steps in, promising to solve that very problem by leveraging the humble Cat5e or Cat6 network cable. What we have here is a simple, elegant solution, a transmitter and a receiver. The idea is straightforward. You plug your HDMI source, say a DVD player or a PS4, into the transmitter unit. Then you run a standard Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable between the transmitter and the receiver. Finally, the receiver plugs into your display, whether that's an HD TV or a projector. And just like that, your HDMI signal is extended. Now, the big claim here is extending that signal up to 60 meters, or about 196 feet, when you're using a good quality Cat6 cable. Drop down to Cat5e, and it's still a respectable 50 meters. That's a significant distance, especially when you consider the cost savings compared to an equivalent length of high-quality HDMI cable. And the best part, it promises full 1080p high-definition video and audio, with the input and output being exactly the same, point to point. No noticeable delay, no degradation, at least from what the specifications suggest. Looking at the units themselves, they have this rather unique linear design. They're quite slim, measuring just over 9 inches long and about 3/4 of an inch wide and tall. Each unit has a short, fixed HDMI cable of about 22 centimeters, which is a nice touch for flexibility, letting them hang a bit from the port rather than sticking straight out. It makes them feel quite portable and easy to tuck away. They're black, unassuming, and honestly, they just blend into the background, which is exactly what you want from a utility device like this. Setup is genuinely plug and play. There are no complicated settings to fiddle with. You connect the source to the TX, the display to the RX, and then run your network cable between them. Each unit does require its own DC-5V power supply, and thankfully, 2 US standard adapters are included in the box. This separate power ensures that the signal remains stable over the extended distance, which is crucial for avoiding dropouts or flickering. This extender is designed for a wide range of uses. Think home theater setups where your media server is in a different room, or for business presentations in large conference centers, even for monitoring centers. It's compatible with everything from set-top boxes and DVD players to PS4s and projectors. It's a versatile tool for anyone needing to bridge that distance gap. However, there's a really important caveat that needs to be highlighted. This device is not asterisk for connecting your TV to the internet. It's purely for extending an HDMI video and audio signal. It's not a network adapter for your smart TV. Also, the manufacturer does warn that using poor quality Cat5e or Cat6 cables will absolutely affect the extended distance you can achieve. So don't skimp on that network cable if you want to hit those maximum ranges. It's a small detail, but one that can make a big difference in performance. So, for those looking to extend their HDMI signal without breaking the bank or sacrificing quality, this Wiistar extender seems like a very solid contender. It's simple, effective, and gets the job done for a specific, common problem.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.